Hi everyone, I'm here outside today to try out the new receiver that I've got, the FrSky R9MM receiver. As you can see, I mounted it on the LDARC ET115. The T antenna is secured with a couple of zip ties like this. So I'm really curious to see what kind of range I can get from this little guy. This quad does not have a OSD, so I set up the radio to get some telemetry on my radio here. And as you can see here, I got the R9M module which is plugged in. So I'm gonna fly over there, all this path down here, and I will try to fly over there behind the corner and see if I can get any signal problem. So I'm pretty excited, and let's give it a try.
Alright, so I'm gonna start behind me and I'm gonna fly in a straight line and see how far I can go before I can start losing the video, which is, I assume that it's gonna be the weaker link. Normally with the previous XM Plus receiver, I was probably going about 50 meters, 50 to 60 meters, and then I would drop already. I could not reach this point already, I knew for experience. This seems to go pretty well. I'm not having any problem whatsoever, but I don't want to push it this too much for this first test. As you can see, I start having a little bit of VTX problem now, a little bit of snow and noise. So I'm gonna go back, and this was 330 meters, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna try another place. So here I'm on a different location, and I'm wanting to try to fly relatively close to the water, and I'm gonna start at the end of this rocky shore over here, flying all the way on the other side, which it's supposed to be about 350 meters or so, and see if I can get any trouble. So I'm really close to the water, and there's also this metal bridge that is going to be in the way, but I have no problem whatsoever. Everything is under control. The quad is responding perfectly to my sticks, and the VTX also is doing a pretty good job. I'm surprised, although I'm pretty sure that when I come back it's gonna get worse because it's on the back of the quad. So this is the end, and that's about 360 meters, so really good. I'm flying at 100 milliwatt, so I'm pretty sure I can go much further than that, but the VTX will definitely not be able to keep up with the R9. So yeah, that was really good, and let's enjoy the rest of the flight.
Alright, that was my quick test on the FrSky R9M module. As you can see, it performed really well. However, I'm pretty sure that nowhere near his limits. I can definitely push this much further. The only problem on this quad is the VTX. As you can see, the antenna comes out from the back just a little bit. So as long as I'm flying to this direction and the antenna is pointing towards me, I get good video. But on the other side, when I turn and I come back, definitely I'm getting a lot of noise. So yeah, there isn't too much I can do. This VTX here is not really powerful. But yeah, I mean, I'm very happy. So I'm definitely gonna try and put the same receiver on other quads and see how far this can be pushed. So for now, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.